Let me tell you guys a very short love story. If you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, just chill. Let me tell you guys a very short love story. So on this fateful day, my mom-in-law visited and she brought rice. Nigerian local rice is one of the best rice species you can get anywhere in the world. It usually comes in short or long grain. Most times, what discourages us from this particular species of rice is the fact that it doesn't come out so bright, and most times, again, it has some black heads and stones. But this particular one she brought was already destoned, so thoughtful of her. So the only thing I had to deal with was just the black heads. And I decided to give her a treat by making a fried rice and peppered chicken for her. Okay, so I actually made the fried rice, and that was the epic fail that I've shared already with you guys on my channel. Now, I decided to prepare this delicious chicken just for her. Okay, before I finish the story, let me take you guys through the process of making this chicken. It was everything yummy, all shades of yumminess. Like, in fact, as the fried rice failed, this chicken did not fail. That's why I have to share with you guys. The chicken chose me, like it saved my day. So let's quickly prepare this chicken and I'll get back to the story. And guys, this is my latest addiction, lasso seasoning. Chicken seasoning, fried rice seasoning, in fact, anything lasso, you call me, I am there. I don't know, but I just love their seasoning. Always subtle, no much drama, it's just okay. So here I've got my shallots and bay leaves, and finally my salt to taste. So in your pot, you go in with your chicken and add all the spices I've been showing you on the screen all this while. Go in with your dry pepper, thyme, seasoning cubes, salt, onion, and then your garlic. Okay, make sure you season this meat very well. Here I'm using a very soft chicken, and you know soft chicken doesn't stay that long on fire, so you have to season it very well, allow it to marinate for some time so that the whole seasoning and the whole ingredients will go into the chicken very well, like they will be fully infused. Okay, don't skip this because you're not going to cook this for a long time on fire. So here I am preparing the sauce I am going to use in roasting this chicken. This particular sauce, I prefer to call it my liquid gold. Like, it comes out golden color though. I think that's where I got the idea of that liquid gold. But the magic it does to my meat, fish, or chicken, in fact, I don't think I can give it any other better name. It is just a blend of carrots, onions, and some sweet peppers. You can also add some herbs to it just to spice it up more. So let's blend our liquid goat together, guys, and afterwards you will see how I'm going to use it in roasting this chicken and eventually preparing it in a very delicious way. I need a new blender, guys. Kai, you guys need to sew into my life. You see me doing break and quench with my blender. Hi, I need a new blender. But finally we got it blended, guys. Our liquid gold is here, guys. Check out this yummy plate of sauce. Okay, just check out. It was everything good. Like, just keep this if you're doing anything that has to do with roasting of anything, barbecue, or I don't know what you call it, whatever, but you're going to roast that protein. Make sure you use this to save the juice inside and to add more taste and flavor to that meal. Okay, so here I'm basically using it to cover every part of the meat and get them ready to be dried in the oven. So here our meat is ready, well lined up and ready to go into the oven to be roasted. And guys, guess what? That was where I lost the whole remaining footage, guys. I didn't know my camera stopped recording at this point. I thought I was still recording, and when we are done, immediately I finished making the meal, they rushed the food, and by the time I came back to my camera to check what I've recorded so far, I discovered that I stopped at this point. I am so sorry about that. I am going to give you guys a complete recipe in my next video. So thank you guys for watching till this point. I really appreciate you. And don't forget that I love you so much, and see you all in my next one. Bye.